Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about baseline padding in Jetpack Compose. This is also a little useful modifier in Jetpack Compose. So let's understand by an example. So here I created a baseline padding file. Let me create a composable function like baseline padding something. So first, let me write some code. After that, I will explain what is the use of baseline padding something. Okay, so here I created, let me create a just a row and provide modifier and just fill max width property, and I'll just provide padding horizontally to 10.dp here. So on end, just provide two text like something text one and text do something here, also provide horizontal space between here. Okay, you have provided this part, and so as you can see, we have two text one and text two, and there is space between both the text. Okay, but this is not related to that. Let me give you what is baseline padding. Okay, let me give you an example of what is baseline padding. Okay, so suppose here just provide modifier and try to provide normal padding, just modify dot padding and give top to 30.dp. okay, that's fine. Okay, when you provide top 32 dp, it will take a padding from the top to 30 dp. That's fine, not there is no issue. And in the second text, provide modifier, try to give padding something different padding. That padding will be padding from baseline, this modifier we have to use, and provide 30.dp. okay, and run this application. So as you can see, there is a difference between both the padding. Text one have normal padding which is 30 dp from the top, and text 2 is a padding from baseline which is 30 dp. That's fine. Okay, so in what is happening here, in the first text I provided padding from top 30 dp. It take the take the padding from here to here 30 dp. okay, that's fine. But in the text 2 provided a padding from baseline 30 dp. Both the text taking 30 dp padding, but in the text 2 what is happening, first it will calculate the height of text 2. Suppose the height of text 2 is 15 dp. okay, 15 dp, and there is a 30 dp padding, so it already taken the 15 dp padding of text to 15 dp height, 15 dp height of text to 15 dp, and it then after it will it will only provide 15 dp padding from top. okay, so it is basically what is happening, it is taking the padding from top to this portion. okay, from text to height also, it is also taking the height of text to. okay, so there is a suppose height of text 2 is 15 dp, and it is taking padding from 15 dp, so 15 dp plus 15 dp is 30 dp. okay, this is the use of padding from baseline. okay, from text 1 it is not calculating the height of text 1 basically, but text 2 calculating the height of height of text 2, and also and whatever remaining padding is left, it take that from top. okay, suppose if text 2 is 15 dp padding, so it means 15 dp padding is left, so it then give 15 dp padding from the top. okay, so that is the difference between text 1 and text 2, like the normal padding and the padding from baseline. okay, so I hope you understand this little example when and why we have to use baseline padding.